Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you how to cut 1/4 inch backer board quick and easy. Let's get this started. I've marked where I'm going to cut. This is my line. I got a razor blade and I'm slowly, on the first run, you run it real slow. So you make sure that you get on that line because that's where your razor blade's going to follow through the next time. Okay, squirt it once. We're going to go about 6 or 7 times. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. And if your first line is crooked, that's where your blade's going to want to go because it's following that trail. This is good because I'm doing it indoors and I don't have to make a lot of dust because this stuff is nasty stuff to breathe if you're using power tools and stuff like that. So now I've scored it probably enough times. I'm going to place a bar here, something straight, 2x4, so that your board that you want doesn't crack. So I've got it along the line, about 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, or right on, it doesn't matter, and just lift up. That's it. Actually, that popped up so easy, it was a joke. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Have a good day. Go cut that backer board.